So we have seen the first program, right? Write a program which reads a set of student marks into an array and prints the same. That's what we have written here. This is reading the elements, reading, and this is printing the elements onto the screen. And also we have seen how to write the code in our compiler dev C++. Now we'll see the second program. What is the second program we are thinking of writing program? Write a program which reads a set of student marks in an integer array and find their class average and display it along with all the members. So now my program is I need to declare an integer array and also I need to find out the average of the array. So for writing that program, I'll write int a of 10. We'll start with starting of the program like hash include stdio.h void main, and I need to open brace and close curly brace. In this I need to declare an array. Along with array I need to declare a variable. We'll declare a of 10, and to find the average I need to calculate the sum, and also I need to calculate the average. For our sake we will declare those two as float values, float, sum, and average, and I'll initialize sum to 0. As we every time we will initialize the value, we'll initialize sum to 0 and we'll have another variable average. So now I'll ask user to enter printf / and enter the elements of a. Enter elements of array A, and I'll give one more / in here, and then I'll write a loop for reading the elements. For I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. I'll read the elements by using a scanf statements, which we have already seen, ampersand of a of I. At the time of reading itself, I'll write sum is equivalent to previous value of sum plus a of I. So while reading itself, I'm calculating the sum and I'm saving it to the value. Now I'll print the values. So for that, printf / n elements of array A are / n. Now I'll write a for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. I'll printf %d. Just I'll print the values only. As previously what we have done, a of 0 is a of 1 is, will not do like that. I'll give a /t to have a separate space between the numbers, and a of I, and I'll print all the numbers. Once I print all the numbers, then I'll write printf / n the class average. అదే కదా అడిగాం. So what we have asked, we asked for class average. The class average is percentage of, and what we are supposed to do, sum divided by 10. So in this case, we are not storing the value of the average. We can just erase the variable average because we are not using that average. Just we are calculating the sum, and then we are directly displaying the sum average like sum divided by 10 as we have taken 10 elements. Yes, good. This code, this loop, as we already seen, this loop is to read the elements or the values from user, and at the same time I'm calculation of sum of all elements one by one. And this loop, whatever we have written here, this displays all the elements, displays all the entered values by the user, entered values or element values by the user. So we'll see by writing the code, same code in dev C++ and see whether the code is correct or executing the correct or not. Okay, we'll see. This is the program what we have written earlier. Now we will write the code for next program. Just know what we have written, right? We'll see. So how to write the code for that? What is the first line? We need to write hash include stdio.h, and I need to write void main, and then I need to start. I need to declare a variables I, comma, a of 10, and I need to declare float of sum, and I want initialize to 0. Now I'll display a message stating that enter the values of the array A, or we can as well write members of elements array A, whatever it is. It's up to you how you write. Now I'll write a loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. And now I'll write scanf because I need to read first. Scanf percentage d, comma, ampersand of a of I. Along with reading the elements, what we have done, I have written sum is equal to sum plus. Just I'll add the elements of the array. So once reading is finished, now I'll display the elements. What I have written printf slash n, the elements of the array AR, and we are giving for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. And what we are writing? We are writing printf percentage d, and I am giving a space and a of I. So once printing is over,